Welcome back to my channel. So today we will be continuing on how do we apply conditional formatting on a column chart. So in previous video we have looked at how do we apply this. So initially we have not been able to find this option, but then if we have went to this visual format visual pane option, we found that within the columns section we have found this conditional formatting next to the color legend. So today we will be continuing on the same topic. However, we'll try to use a different style of how do we apply this conditional formatting. So before we begin, let's quickly look at the visual that we've created already. So this is a column chart which is distributed based on a subcategory wise profit data. So as we can see, this data has like a profit ranging from 0 to around 60K. And then we also have some specific subcategories which had incurred a lot of losses. So what we try to do is we try to highlight this data based on the losses incurred and the profit being made by the respective subcategories. So for this, I would have to go to this formatting option. So as we've seen earlier, we would have to go to that format visual section, and within this we would have to scroll through to find this columns option and enable this formatting option next to the color legend. So I just hit on this color legend, and instead of using the default gradient format style, we will try to use this rules as the formatting style over here based on the field profit with the summarization as sum. And here within this rules, we'll try to apply some conditions. So here firstly, I'd like to change this from percent to number, and then we'll try to apply the conditions. So since we've seen that the data is being spread from 0 to around 60K, we'll try to see how we can achieve this. So the first condition would be that anything which is below 0 should be in red, and we'll add another rule which is above 0 and below 20,000 in blue, and then we'll add another rule which is above 20,000 and 60,000 in maybe a different color. So we'll choose probably this yellow. Okay, so we have three different rules here. So one is that which is in the range of above 20,000 and below 60,000. So which means somewhere from this to here. And the other category or the other rule is like above 0 and 20,000. So which is from here to here. And then so maybe we can just okay, and then we have another category or the other rule which says that which is below 0. Okay, so and then maybe we can have another one which is above 60,000. Okay, and I'll change this from person to number, and I'll leave this other number. And here I'd like to give another color which would be somewhere this green gradient. Okay, so maybe I'll choose a brighter color. Okay, and then I'll hit on OK. Now if you observe, the data has been conditionally formatted based on how we've given the conditions in that particular formatting pane. So this is about how do we apply this conditional formatting in different ways. We've seen both the column chart, how do we apply it in multiple ways, and in the next video we will try to look at another couple of options. So that's it for today. Thank you.